welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am so excited. I have been wanting to do this video forever, since before we left for Florida. So this tree was the first thing to go up. I unboxed it. I was so pleased with how it turned out and the quality that it is. I love this tree, and for the price and the size and how full it is and the quality of the lights and everything and what it can do, like you don't even know. So let's talk about this. Let's unbox the tree. Let's talk about decorations. Let's get into like real Christmas mode, because it's happening. Like the house is in a bit of a disarray right now, and this is step one. So let's do it together. So if that's something you guys want to see, then just keep watching. All right, you guys. So I have a lot of details on this tree. I, first of all, was completely overwhelmed by the concept of it, but it's so simple and so, dare I say, futuristic. Like, I've never seen or heard of a tree like this. I can control everything from my phone. There is also this little switch on the bottom, which I will show you in a second. But first things first. So this video is entirely sponsored by Twinkly. That is the name of this tree. So they sent me this tree, okay? And I don't really accept like offers that often. So I was like, do I really need another Christmas tree? And I figured, let's do it. Let's go for it. So they sent me this tree. It was delivered by FedEx, which I know is always a good thing, because if things are delivered by FedEx, it means it's quality. I love it. FedEx is like up here for me. So they deliver this huge freaking box, and I was storing it in the front entrance closet because they sent it throughout October. So I thought, okay, let's wait this out. And the other day, whenever I was putting away all my decorations, so you saw like a little clip it of me pulling this out of the closet whenever I had stored all of my Halloween decorations. So if you guys didn't see that, you guys have been asking how I store my decorations. So I did a behind the scenes on my Angie Bellemare vlogs. By the way, Angie Bellemare vlogs on Instagram is just 10-minute videos, completely unedited. Like I literally just filmed one before I sat down here. Sometimes they're chaotic, sometimes they're wonderful, sometimes they're hilarious. And it's just my real life. Like they usually happen in conjunction when I'm filming, and it just kind of gives you a behind the scenes of like what I'm doing and what's really happening, because I feel like sometimes this can be very formal, but I feel like sometimes me just holding the camera and be like, look at how messy my house is a little bit more interesting, which I'm all about. Like I'm all about like the real. So I had filmed a behind the scenes storage one as well, and you guys really wanted to see my storage, like all of the bins and how I store all of these ridiculous amounts of decoration. So I get it. Now, in that YouTube version of it, when I put away all of my Halloween decorations, I started pulling out this tree, and I cut the video because once I started putting this together, and I just time-lapsed me pulling this out, putting it together, and I thought that it was gonna be a lot more complicated, because the other tree that I have to be real, like it's a task and a half to put that tree together. You have to like find the cords and plug them together. Like any traditional tree, you have to like find the female to the male plug and put it in. And there's like 3 to 5 to 6 parts. Like I just helped my mother-in-law put together her tree in Florida, and it was like 6 parts. This had 3, and the plug is in the pole. So it was like boop, 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 done. It was the fastest situation. The only thing I will say is just make sure that they're in tight, but once I figured, like, it was in. So plug it in. So what I have going on here is it was just plugged into the wall whenever I first started. Now it's plugged into my whole railing, so it goes all the way up, so I don't have any cords going across. And I'm gonna get a tree skirt and everything. You guys, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for decorations for this. I'm buying the decorations this week, because Lord knows, if you're not at Michael's like right now, you're just gonna miss out on the entire Christmas season. That's a tip, by the way. Like you need to go to Michael's early if you want anything. So this has like a little foot button, and it'll turn it off and on. But this is set, like this is a custom setting, and hear me out on this. Like there's so much to say about this tree. So this was the first thing that I saw whenever, so I'm gonna lose my custom setting for 2 seconds, but I'll show you guys what this thing can do. So just from this button that's attached to the bottom of the tree, you can have a rainbow tree. You can have a snow. I feel like this would be a beautiful Frozen themed tree. But we're not doing that because I don't love blue. Like the blue will definitely not go in here. I'm debating just doing another Candyland tree. Okay, and then there's up and down. So it like ombres up and down. And then there's fireworks, which is basically like warm yellow and cold like a cool white color, and then it twinkles. And then there's glow, which is basically looks like the 4th of July. And then this is like a multicolored, I haven't seen this one yet. Like it just keeps giving me different things. I don't know, it's a magical, oh, this is back to mine. That's what it, okay, cool, that's back to my cousin. Now, here's the thing. So whenever I first got the tree, I was like, oh, that's cool. Like those are the ones that it can do. And it wasn't doing this, I made this one. So I was like, okay, well that's cool, but like, I don't know if I want rainbow. Like maybe, but not right now, or like 4th of July. So here's what I figured out. You need to download the Twinkly app. And once you do that, there's like all of these different settings. So you'll see like the 3D flag, and you actually map out your tree. So you like hold up the phone in the app and you map out the tree so it knows exactly where your tree is. And it says don't put it near anything reflective or near any windows or other lights so it doesn't distract it. And it'll actually like map it out, and then you can choose what style you want. So how you want the lights to disperse. So either like a snow effect, or like an ombre effect, or like a diagonal effect, or a fireworks effect. There's tons, there's literally tons of them. So I wanna actually pull up the app right now. So Twinkly, it's a cute, so it's like a little, so snow, rainbow, 3D flag, bright twinkle, fireworks, vertigo, horizontal flag, vertical flag, waves, up, down, diagonal, sunset, glow, fixed, moving blend, strobo, carnival, create your own effect. So I basically took like a soft glow. I think I took like a twinkle, like a bright twinkle. And then once you do that, you can choose any color from the rainbow that you want. And you could do like 2 different colors, 3 different colors. It's wild. Like I have never, and then it'll go onto the tree. So this has its own Wi-Fi and it connects to the Wi-Fi on your phone. Very simple, honestly. Like I'm technologically inclined, but I really think that anybody could do this. And the instructions are super simple. I just have to say that I am like beyond impressed with this. Like I've been dying to talk to you guys about this tree and show you the details of it. So I have to say it's like I literally just went shopping for a Christmas tree, and nothing, like I just don't think anything compared to how full this one is without even having, I don't have any ribbons in here. I don't have anything in here. And the lights are like these little bulb LED lights, and they just look so pretty. Like I love it. I'm really, really happy with it. Like I said, super easy to put together. The base is sturdy. The cord is long enough. There is nothing that I would change about this tree. So I'm gonna keep it here, but I need you guys' help on how the heck to decorate this. So one thing I wanted to share is where you can get this. I will link everything down below for you guys. You can purchase it, if you just go to bit.ly/twinklyangie, you can purchase it from that. And then all the information, there's bit.ly twinkly info Angie, so I just made it simple for you guys. And they're working on an Amazon store for this right now, but you can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, Sam's Club, Ace, and Walmart. And I know that a lot of those places have free shipping, so if you want it delivered to your house, that might be an easier option. So I will link it for you guys. But can we just please discuss Christmas decorations for this? Because I'm a little bit overwhelmed at the concept of it. Like, I don't know. I've gone back and forth. Like, do I grab all of the elves that I have and make an elf tree? Do I do like a pepper, like, I have an idea. It just came to me. I could do like ladders sticking out of it and have like elves coming out of it, which would be chaotic, but I could totally do it and it would go with the banister. I have like 3 elves going up the banister right now. And just keep to the peppermint Candyland theme, which I really have all over the house. Like upstairs, I do like a white and pink and very colorful Candyland tree. In my office, it's like a white, snowy, very whimsical, like Whoville. That one is ridiculous. That's over there. That's a whole other thing that needs its own video. I'm overwhelmed by the idea of it, but I'm really excited to go to Michael's and to just like have a blank slate to work with, which is dangerous for me because I feel like I really do excel at Christmas. Like it's just where I think it's so funny. I was sharing this on my Instagram, the Angie Bellemare vlogs page. You guys were saying today on my Instagram post on my main page on the Angie Bellemare page, how you hope that the videos, obviously you're new here if you said that, but you said, some of you guys were saying, I hope that you have as much decorations as you did for Halloween. Bro, I have like 5 bins for Halloween this year. Like I sucked at Halloween before this year. You guys brought it out in me. I have like 25 to 30 bins for Christmas. It's so overwhelming. Like before I started decorating, it was Friday night and I was looking at the bins and I was like, I don't even know where to start. Like I have a village, I have banister stuff, I have 5 trees. Like, what is this life? Like, what am I doing? But I love it. And I got so many Squishmallows, and I have another home goods haul to share with you guys. I went to Marshall's, Home Goods, Winners, a bunch of stuff off of Amazon. So this week's last video for this week, and then we're going to daily videos after that, will be a Home Goods, Amazon, Marshall's haul, which I know you guys love. So, and there was so much good stuff. Andre made the mistake of leaving me alone at a Marshall's. I got these like gigantic elves. I love elves. Okay, all right. I shared all that I can share. I will link all of the information for this tree down below, but I'm telling you, if you are searching for a Christmas tree out of like the love of my heart, I would not be sharing this unless I'm obsessed with it. This is the freaking greatest tree I've ever seen in my life. The other thing that I want to share is Twinkly actually just does the lights too. I was searching, like I just wanted to know like what they had available, if they had different sizes. I'm pretty sure they have different sizes of tree, but just the lights. So if you want to wrap your tree that you already have with the lights and then map it using the app, you can do that also. So sick. Like, I'm just saying, this is very futuristic. I feel like I'm like in Tron, or I don't know, like it's just, I felt very technologically inclined playing with I'm just like, I'm gonna map out my tree right now, and then you could switch it too. So if you don't want your decorations anymore and you want to switch the theme, it's kind of cool that you can do that. So I'm open to your suggestions. Drop your thoughts down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget that we have a giveaway going on for Alex and Annie Disney Parks bracelet, and I'm gonna bundle it with a bunch of other stuff and ship that out to 1 subscriber. You must be subscribed, following on both my Instagram pages, and just be the most engaged, amazing human. And I will ship that out on December 1st. Winner will be announced on December 1st, and then we start weekly giveaways, and I've already got some stuff for that, so I'm really excited. I love you guys so much. Please make sure that you're subscribed, hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.